Thanks for joining us on BloombergQuint. I have with me Bala Parthasarathy, co-founder of MoneyTap, a consumer lending startup. Now, MoneyTap has recently raised about $9 million in a round led by Sequoia Capital. To talk more about this, I'll have Parthasarathy. So thank you for your time.
Thank you.
So tell us about the new fundraise that you have raised and what are the key areas and who are the investors who have participated in the round?
Sure. The Series A round we just announced was led by Sequoia Capital. The total amount of money we raised is $12.3 million. All the investors include Sequoia, NEA, and Prime Ventures.
Right. And where are you going to use the investment for?
So we're not a lending company in the sense that we don't lend out of our own pocket. We work with banks and we lend on banks' books. Our use of funds is all about technology, data science, and making the consumer experience of lending easier and easier. So our goal is to partner with banks. We have a somewhat unique model where we partner with banks and make the process of consumer lending completely painless. So today when we think of banks, people think of forms, paperwork, red tape. Our goal is to make that brain dead simple.
Right. And are you looking for another round of funding in 6 months down the line as well, or you are well funded for?
We are very well funded, given that we're not using the money for investment. That's what takes a lot of money. Otherwise, with just tech and data, we don't need any funding in the near future.
Right. And are you looking to increase the headcount as well as? You started in October 2016. It's barely 6 months, 6 to 7 months now.
Yeah.
So are you looking to increase the headcount?
Not dramatically. The company is very small. We're about 20 people, and maybe we'll add another 10 to 20 people over the next 12 months.
Right. And tell us about MoneyTap. The model that you follow is different from the other consumer lending startup. You offer credit line of up to 5 lakhs. Tell us about that.
That's right. So MoneyTap is somewhat of a unique product. So we kind of thought from a customer first, and then we figured out how to make the back end work for the customer. So from a consumer's point of view, they want three things. We went and spoke to about 1,000 consumers. Our target customer is a middle income customer. People who make anywhere from 20,000 rupees and upwards. The median income of our customers is about 40,000 rupees.
Okay.
And they are all salaried or self-employed. And they're living in tier 1, tier 2, now tier 3 cities. We are in 14 cities today. And our goal is to give them a very flexible credit product. So they download an app on the phone, and in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes, we tell them a yes or a no, whether they qualify or not, based on the information they provide. And if they qualify, how much they qualify for, and with which one of our banking partners. After that, they get onboarded using KYC and the compliance of the banking partner. After that, the interface, the MoneyTap app becomes a line of credit. So it's an app that you can just tap and withdraw as little or as much as you want. And only when you take the money out, the meter starts ticking and you pay an interest.
Right.
So for example, if you get qualified for a limit of let's say 1 lakh, you don't pay any interest on it.
Okay.
And you just keep it in your pocket, and let's say 3 months later there is a sudden emergency, or you want to go take a vacation, or whatever your needs be, and you want to draw down 20,000 rupees, you just swipe the button and take the money out. And you take 20, 25, whatever you want up to the 1 lakh. And then on that 1 lakh, you say on the 25,000, let's say you say I want to pay it back in 3 months. And you get a monthly installment you have to pay back to the bank. All of it facilitated using the app.
Right. And how does MoneyTap make money?
So we get a commission from the bank. So in that sense, we are a technology provider where we enable technology, and the bank gives us a transaction fee, so to speak.